County in southwestern Oklahoma, Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Southern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, North Central Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, Grady County in central Oklahoma, Northern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen in the last couple hours. In addition, 5 to 10 inches of rain have already fallen in recent days. Some locations that will experience flooding include southwestern Oklahoma City, northern Lawton, Duncan, El Reno, Chickasha, Blanchard, Anadarko, Marlow, Hobart, Yukon, Mustang, Tuttle, Cache, Elgin, Carnegie, Union City, Minco, Apache, Snyder, and Rush Springs. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Severe thunderstorm watch number 148 remains in effect until 2 p.m. Central